Record.
Thank you.
Yep. Oh, okay, bet. Try to share it now.
All right, man. Let's see. Let's see.
Should definitely let you share.
Yes, sir. All right, bet. All right. Yeah, like you were saying, I guess that time frame is what it was. So
Yeah.
I could trade. I could trade with different things.
Yep.
And you said why do you use trade over trade
Trade of it.
ovate? Yeah, trade ovate. Okay.
Uh, I mean, there's no specific reason. They're probably like the biggest broker in futures.
Mm,
What are futures?
what he trades.
That's like that shit is so difficult to explain.
All right, it's good, it's good, it's good. I
Like
watched a
I
YouTube video
can't
on it.
lie. That's yeah.
And also I don't. They weren't here, but I know you already talked about it. The different types of trading. I remember there was what scalping, day trade, swing,
Yeah. So
and
scalping, day trading, and swing trading.
Um, yeah, those are like the three. If I can remember correctly, like day trading is basically as easy as like day trading, but I know it could last like let's say maybe a week, hypothetically.
That's swing trading. Swing trading
Okay,
is for around a week. Uh, a week plus. Like a lot of swing traders even do like monthly to yearly type of positions. A day trader may do one day to day, so like from up to 1 day to a few days. And then
okay.
a scalper would be inside an hour.
So, what do you technically call yourself a scalper? A scalper?
I'm them all, honestly.
Okay,
I just
Hey,
if I see an opportunity, I'm just gonna try to take it.
What
okay.
do versatility? So is everybody
Appreciate it.
uh is it best to be like versatile and everything? Or like one thing and then stick to it type?
I would probably more like as I get to learn everyone's risk appetite and honestly greediness, then I'll pretty much just recommend one for you or multiple if that's what I feel fits you. But of course, like do what you want. But like I
hmm,
would just recommend one. Charbel and I talked. Charbel's probably gonna do like all, but I mean, but I had a lot of time to talk to Charbel, so
yeah, you said like
Okay.
2 hours.
yeah.
Type.
So, and then I was putting it on like a. Oh, my fault. Dealer, go ahead.
Nah, you good, you good, you good.
I was saying again, just from my prior knowledge, not too much, but I know like the minute frames matter, and I know like the premium lets you go down to seconds. Is that why you went up to premium, or?
No, actually, I don't touch the second charts at all.
Okay.
But if you click here in 2 minutes, you're gonna see the market startup, and I'm gonna show you exactly why.
Okay, okay. Would you want me to change the indicator? 'Cause I think I saw yours like on one, or no, yours on 5 minutes. You don't change any of that at all. Is what you're saying?
No, I have that one indicator on my chart, so that I don't need to constantly flip between charts.
Hmm.
But then the other indicators that I have, I made them, so you won't be able to find them.
So, okay, hypothetically, if you could, right? Let's say you're looking at this right now. Are there any
Yeah.
patterns that stand out to you?
Um,
Like you're like, oh, this looks, decent.
I mean, from what I see right now, I'd likely say that it's gonna go up.
Okay, okay. Would you? Is it like, is it that quick of a thinking for you? Like, okay, boom, I think it's gonna go up, and you just put that in, or you take your time and you watch it for like, let's say, like 20 minutes, and you see what it's been doing.
Nah, it's pretty quick. I should get
Hmm.
my bias. Like, I'm pretty much able to just you could get your. I could teach you to get your bias in a few seconds, and it'll be pretty simple. Like, go to the click if you click on your keyboard 1D.
1D,
Yeah.
and just press enter.
Enter. Yeah. So that'll take you to the daily chart. And then are you on a Mac?
No, I'm on a PC.
Click
Well,
Alt
no.
R.
Okay.
So that does the reset chart type of thing.
Okay.
So right here you can see that again.
This is in the day?
Yeah. Each candle represents one day.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah,
Oh.
it's August, September. Okay. Oh,
Exactly.
okay. So if I were to zoom in,
Exactly. So zoom in really close to.
oh, my phone, let me fix that. Oh, it's not legit. Okay.
Try Alt R again.
Yeah, you're right. All right, moving like a bot. Yeah, what you're gonna do? We're gonna redo that. Reload the
I
site.
don't. What happened?
Yeah, I'll close out and go back in, bro. I ain't gonna
All right.
lie.
I don't know what this is about. I'm zooming out.
Try to click control and um control and up or like control and down. Try to do that. Oh,
You know what? Don't even worry about it. I'm telling you, it's not even might be too crazy. I'm telling you.
okay, better zoom back up.
Yeah, I don't know what that was all about, bro. All right.
Mm.
So beautiful chart. Well, this is just Nasdaq normal. Okay, then. And you
Okay,
said
now
Alt R.
now no. Now type M and Q.
Just type it in.
Yeah,
Oh shoot.
and then click that. Now you're back to the other chart, and then you can do 1D again to go to the daily chart. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
now I can just.
a lot of niggas make things of like very difficult when it just doesn't need to be.
Mm-hmm.
All I do is if the previous day was bullish, more likely than not, the next day will be bullish.
Oh, bullish meaning, what does bullish mean?
Green,
What's up? It
up.
goes up.
Green up.
So
Okay.
so they say when they say like bull or bear, they say bulls, they strike upwards with their like,
Oh, with their horns. Yeah,
with
yeah,
their
yeah,
horns,
yeah, yeah.
right? And then bears kind of like they come over top, like swipe down with their claws.
Yeah. Wow. So you say bearish?
Yeah, so bearish is going down and bullish is going up.
Thank you.
So if yesterday was bullish, today would be bearish. And then to answer your question from earlier, do you see that color thing next to CME in the title?
Right here, this.
Yep,
Your market closed. Data is delayed. Okay.
exactly. So on the free joint, your data's delayed. So data is delayed by 10 minutes because of exchange requirements. So every 10 minutes, your chart will update. That's just not serious.
But this is because it's paper trading, not just because I have the free version.
No, it's because you have the free version.
Jesus Christ. So I'd be behind regard. What? Jeez.
Yeah. So
But
like
then,
as you keep paying, I think there's another joint that delays it by 5 minutes, and then there's another joint where there's no delay.
is that what you have?
Yeah, no delay.
But why would I want to delay? So it's like, wait, tell me, if I have a delay, right? You have no delay. You're right. Like, you know what's happening. Can I not trade?
And it's yeah, this is fucked. This game is not like these people that be doing this shit. They're not good guys, bro.
Damn.
Like I'll just let you
That's,
know that.
Is
But
there
bruh.
yeah,
anyone that is there anyone that like live streams like the current
No, I don't think you're understanding. It won't put my trade in. It's not like I can't see it.
yeah.
oh
He can't do shit for the next 10
Like,
minutes because the
yeah, like it
market
won't
doesn't
put it
open
in.
for him.
oh
But
Like the
once it's
market right
open,
now for me is
it's blocked.
open.
Right?
Yeah. See, like
Once it's
things are
open, it's
moving on
real
my
time.
chart.
Jeez, things are moving on his chart. He says.
Yeah, things are moving on my chart.
And it will
and
show a wick because I have mine on the day. Okay, if I were to switch it back to 5 minutes, it will show a candle every 5 minutes.
Technically, yeah.
Okay.
But right now, since the market didn't open yet,
Yeah, ignore
it
that
won't
right
show you.
now.
for
Yeah.
Let
him.
me check. Man said for him, bro, it is for anybody who has the free joint, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
You have an account,
Yeah,
it's talking
for
about for
anyone who has the
him.
free joint, yeah.
Oh god, that's so nasty.
So you're just focused. Okay. And is that delay, does that hinder you like a lot, or like, does that affect you a lot to have that delay of like buying or selling?
Oh, like without a doubt. Cause imagine you get into a trade and then like how I told you, like I typically know I'll have a good idea of the outcome of my trade within 3 minutes,
Hmm.
right? Like he doesn't get an update for 5
Does he get to see what's already happened though?
after 5 minutes
So why is that a big issue?
because he won't know whether to move his stop to go break even or not within those 5 minutes.
Now watch the guy. He moved his stop loss. Like when let's say it was going on a bearish run, he was doing bearish, I think, for the day.
Yeah, yeah,
He would move his stop loss down with him, so it would
exactly.
basically stop at profit even.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah,
So I
Yeah,
think that's
that's what Junior was
important.
mentioning earlier.
yeah.
Yeah, I think that's why it's important to have it live because you are on a 5 minute delay. You left your stop loss at what you thought it was 5 minutes ago. You're
Exactly.
seeing, and like you're sick because you could have been moving it down, but then by the time it refreshes or it updates, it went right back to that stop loss you had it sold and you probably lost nothing. You lost bread
Exactly.
rather than
Exactly.
when you could have moved
Oh,
it.
so your stop loss is still set in from previously?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I don't know if I should
Oh,
move it or not. I have a 5 minute delay.
yeah, I get it now. Okay, okay, okay. So I was like, yeah, I feel like you can just continue from whatever, because you're saying you just need to watch it for 3 minutes. You'll kind of know where to go with it. I didn't see the initial point as to like why. Because if you can see what's happened in the past 5 minutes, and just to see 3 minutes of the trend in order to make a decision, it's like I didn't see why that having that delay would make such an impact on you.
Like
But
a big hindrance. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm.
So you have this one right here, you said.
Which one?
This one right here.
Oh yeah. Damn, it's
Premium.
50.
Now this is $30 one, but
Damn. Oh, I could. It's because I got mine for Black Friday. I do mine every
uh
year Black Friday, so it'd be like 70% off or something. So I get mine. It's probably like 400 or $500 for
for the year.
$400 for the year joint.
Shit, if I'm making the bread, bro, that's even necessary.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. It's damn,
What?
Yeah, if I went monthly, that's what it would be. If I paid annually, because you know how they go.
damn. I didn't know it was like that.
Let's go see.
Damn.
It's cool, guys. We're gonna be good, bro.
But I mean, the essential is pretty much like all you pretty much need for now.
No, I agree.
and that's no delay, or that's still the delay, bro.
It's still a delay, bro.
I think, yeah, I think, uh, I really don't know, honestly.
Let's see. I'm gonna find it. Alerts that don't expire now. Chart data
Let me
exploiter.
search it up.
I got a question. Is this like I don't have a laptop, but I got like an iPad. I need to get a laptop for it to be like optimal.
Nah, not necessarily. I trade on my iPad whenever I'm traveling, so you could you can make it work on your iPad for sure. But I mean, it would like probably. I mean, shit. If you honestly like, you could also get a monitor. You don't necessarily need
Mm-hmm.
a computer. You know, if you get a monitor and then you get like a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse,
Mm-hmm.
then it'll just hook up. You know,
Okay.
but it'll only make sense if you have like an iPad Air and above, though, because if you don't have an iPad Air and above, then it won't adjust the aspect ratio on your monitor. But what's it called? There is no delay. I don't think. Wait. Never mind. I lied.
Or maybe because I'm in paper train is delayed. Maybe that's why.
Maybe that's why.
And then so And then when I link my trade, okay, I get it now. Cause I'm about to say, where do I see how much money I have to trade? But it's on
Yeah.
my broker account, basically, which broker I use type.
Okay.
I'm asking, is that correct? Like, would that be a correct assumption that I'm making?
Say that one more time.
So when I was in trading, when I was on the chart, I
Yeah.
didn't see like how much money can I trade? Like, what's available for me to trade? Because let me just go back. I feel like I'm not explaining it right.
Nah, it was there.
Okay, that was paper trading, right? I'm saying in
Yeah.
real trading, how would I know? And I'm saying it's
It's
not like,
exactly how it would be on paper trading.
but where would I link my card to? I'm saying, do I link my card to my broker or do I link it to TradingView, the website?
Oh, yeah, nah, it's your broker.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. That's what I
Yeah.
saw right.
Yeah, it's your broker. It's your broker.
Okay,
And then
okay,
that figure would be reflected onto your what's it called? Onto your trading view.
okay, okay. And do
You
you
still?
have a yeah? Go ahead.
I was gonna ask if you still trade gold.
Yeah, I trade gold at night. So in an hour I'm gonna trade gold and then in the morning I trade MNQ.
Market
Okay,
open data.
and that's it.
Yeah, that's all I trade. I mean, unless I'm doing swing trading. If I do swing trading, I typically trade options. So yeah, you can't hold futures for more than a day.
You can hold futures for more than a day.
Yeah, you can't. So once the market closes at 5, you cannot be in any position. If you're in a position, they'll take you out of your position automatically.
Mm.
Oh, and then here you see how it's telling you market order rejected? You have to adjust your risk. It's because if you click on your account, like how much money you have in the account, that's why I was telling you like that's why like some niggas use micros if they have like a smaller account. So I think your account has okay, so 99,000. I mean, shit, it would work if you go to the risk joint, like the where it says 100 and stuff.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, exactly. Uh, yeah, do a percentage of balance
Okay, okay, okay. I see.
and then flip them though. Flip them. Perfect. So that would be 1% or like that would be two, exactly right there would be 2%
Okay, okay,
and
okay.
XYZ. So
All right, let
if
me put.
you so 2% would be 2,000
Let's just
dollars
yeah.
of your account.
Let's just do. I mean, it's paper trade, so let's do 1,000. Or let's do 1%, right? And then
Switch them again. Switch them again.
okay, like this.
Exactly. Yeah, and
I'm
then
not
that
2%
would
though.
be percentage of your balance.
Is that too high?
So wait, it says the amount entered in percentage of balance corresponds to the amount less than the inch. Oh, okay.
I think it was supposed to be this way type. Right? If I
Hold
do,
on, hold on.
uh,
Let me ask for control real quick.
oh, I was about to say if you could do that this whole time. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, bet. Wait, it's not letting me. It's not letting me share. I mean, get control. I think it's because I'm recording.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
okay. I guess
Okay, bet. Yeah, 2 units. Okay, cool. 2 units would be 5% of your balance, but
it'll be
you also
5,000.
got to do if you do the limit or stop,
Okay.
you see the limit or stop. Okay, so now that allows you to move your stop loss and take profit.
I see that. Okay,
Um,
so stop loss would be, let's say, roughly if I put it here, right? Because I put it to sell.
exactly. Yeah, it would be higher than usual, and then
Mhm.
right.
And take profit, let's say, would be like what? And let me see, because I think it showed me earlier. This would be a 3.3 risk to reward. So this would be like 3x my bread
Exactly.
plus $143 out of the 5,000.
Uh,
Well, let's figure it out first. Let's try. And this is hypotheticals anyway. And this already went through. Dang, it was It was even a bullish, I guess, tick. I don't know how to explain it, but
Move,
yeah.
yeah, it started moving up.
So I would have been wrong anyway.
Yeah.
But I haven't sold it yet, so I can still enter at any time. I'm just kind of setting up my thing, right?
Yeah, and the way it works is the limit entry has to, um, hold on, stop sharing your screen. I'm gonna share mine and then show you
Yep.
how it works. Okay, so this is how limit entries work, right? So, limit entry, y'all see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So a limit order would basically be like, uh, let's say price is moving up like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you think price is going to, um, come back down into this area and then go back up. So let's say you believe price is going to come to this area and then go back up, right? You can set a position here, like you can set an order here and then have your position set up like this so that it's 1 to 4, right? And then touches, as soon as price gets to here,
It'll start.
it'll automatically trigger you in.
Okay.
So
So it
that would
didn't.
be a limit order. So if you're buying, price has to be above the price that you're aiming for so that it can come back down, tag you in, and then go back up.
So you get in low rather than get in high. And
Exactly.
you. That's if
And
you do a
then,
limit.
exactly, that's if I do a limit. But let's say um price comes down here, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I think once price breaks this level here, right? Once price breaks this high, price will keep going up. Like price will shoot past this high and it'll keep going up, right? It'll keep going like this, right? Oh shit. There's a way to set an order to where when we're below price and we want to buy, once price comes past this area, you'll get into the trade and you'll be triggered in for a buy. So that's called a stop order. Because essentially, when price is moving, you're basically like stop, and then you get into your trade.
So just a regular there's a regular market order, limit, and a stop, right?
Yeah,
So market is when I just get in wherever I started at. Like I just
e-
buy.
exactly. It's like an immediate order. Like
Okay.
as soon as you click, you're in.
And limit is like it has to hit this part before it buys that kind of. You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying?
Yeah.
So wouldn't limit and stop be kind of similar then?
Yeah. No, they're pretty similar, but
Mm.
with a limit, you're expecting price to bounce off of some price. You're expecting price to
Uh,
bounce off of it, and then with a stop, you're expecting price to like break through it. And
oh, so it only works on the end of a wick or the bottom of a wick, kind of like it has to go past what it was before.
exactly, yeah. So
Oh,
like
okay.
if I have a stop order here, price has to
Yeah,
go through it
before he even buys it.
before I even get in. But if I had a limit order here, price would have to come down, tap it, bounce off it, and then go up. That's
If
what
it
I'm.
didn't go back up, it won't buy for you. It won't buy until it goes back up.
No, no, no. As soon as you, if price is up here, right,
Hmm.
Hmm.
and we expect price to come lower before it goes higher, all you have to do is set a limit order, and then once it comes down to this exact price, it'll trigger your order in like that. It'll trigger you in immediately. But it's automatic. So you can set an order like this and be at work and whatever can happen happens basically. Like you just don't have to be at the computer for it to like
Mhm.
really happen because it's automatic.
Okay. And
And then the same thing with a stop order. Like if price retraces down like this and then it goes and you expect price to go up and keep going up, you can set a stop order here so then when price breaks up through here, it'll keep going up through there and it'll get you in as soon as it breaks this price.
okay.
And so does that mean you have to enter in both a limit and a stop for this one trade?
No, I mean not necessarily. A limit and a stop would just it would it's just like based on it's like a technique. Like everybody has their own different way of like betting. It would be like betting like money lines versus betting parlays. Like it's the same thing. Like you're still betting.
Hmm.
Like it's just everyone has their own techniques.
Okay.
So the way I understand it, Cedric, if I can interject, Junior, is basically like with
Yep.
the limit. It's like you believe it's gonna bounce back up, so you want it to touch that and go back up. You want it to kind of lie
Exactly.
low and go up.
Exactly.
So with a stop, you believe it's gonna break through what it just had hit. So what
Exactly.
you don't want to do both because you're risking two,
Yeah.
meaning that you could hit both, but it wouldn't really make sense sometimes.
Yeah, because you're just going in the same direction. Like
Mm-hmm. So it's like a
Okay.
stop is just based on where you're at. You're like, you know what? It's like okay. The way I also see it too, right? A stop is a little bit more, let me say, safe because it has to hit back where it was at and then continue going. But you also don't make as much profit because you also kind of bought a little bit higher,
right.
if I'm understanding correctly.
Right.
A limit is also not bad because you're like, all right, if it bounces back up, that's already what I needed because I expected it to go up. It may not go as high as
Yeah.
I need to, but it's
Yeah.
gonna bounce back up and it'll buy for me.
Yeah.
Rather than I buy a
Um,
market and I say it's gonna go up and it doesn't do either or.
Exactly. Yeah.
okay. And when it continues to go up and it's broken the plane that you set for it, will it just at that point do you have to like put in another like uh another stop, or do you sell at that point? Like let's say like it gets to a very high point and you're profiting, a good amount,
Yeah.
and then you want to get out. Do you just is there like an automatic thing for that too? Or do you
Exactly. Yeah.
just
It's called a
uh
take profit.
take profit? Okay.
Yep.
TP. You mark
Exactly.
where you
TP.
want it to like sell at to get at like the same way it'll sell if you're taking a loss. The same way, all right, boom, that's where I wanted to hit. You can go past your take profit, but it's gonna sell at that take profit margin.
Exactly. So like let's we can
It'll
do
sell
like
all of it at the take
yeah.
profit. So like let's say it booms crazy. You'll just have to go with whatever was automatically
Whatever you put that
configured.
take profit as.
Yeah, wherever
Okay.
you put your take profit.
But
So
again,
like
that's what.
for
Oh, my
example,
fault.
right? No, you're good, you're good, you're good. For example, you were explaining it like pretty spot on to be honest. Um
Nice.
there should be a trade and join on the replay trade. Okay, bet. Yeah, yeah, there is. Smooth. So right here, right? Price broke this high and I anticipate price to keep going higher, right?
Mhm.
But I think price is gonna come down like this and then go higher.
Yeah.
So I would set a limit order. So you could set something like this, put your limit here, stop loss below this low, and then like target just like somewhere random up here. Like you can do something like this, right? And then if we do trade here, you see how it says limit right there, right?
No.
You don't
Mm-hmm.
see limit right here?
Oh, I see it now. Okay, it was
Okay,
dark.
bet. So we could do like 10 units, 20 units, 50 units. So you see how it says tick value?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was explaining earlier. Because like if you go to like one tick, see each tick is worth 50 cents.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Yeah,
On
yeah, yeah,
NQ
yeah.
would be like fucking $2 each tick.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let's say 50 ticks here. I'm at 50 units here. I'd put a buy here. So that would be my buy limit. And yeah. Or actually hold up. Cancel order. Do it like this. Right. So now I'll play price and then we'll see what
This is
happens.
trading view, right? This is not a real.
Yeah, this is like it's called back testing.
Okay,
Like
okay.
this
Oh, this
already
already
happened.
happened.
Yeah,
All
this
right.
already happened.
And also, right. So
Yeah,
here's the thing: if it never hits I can't. If you the top your take profit, the top of your take profit, right?
yeah.
Let's say it never hits that exact point, but it's still in the green area. Will it like sell when it hits like how do I even explain it? It's kind of
Like
key.
just under or like something close to it, like even halfway. Like
I'm
will it
saying
fuck
more.
with you?
No, you
All right.
would have to do it yourself.
Oh, so what if it does hit profit? I just wasn't around to sell.
Then you're
It didn't hit my
focused.
take. It didn't hit my take profit point.
You're focused.
A then what it'll only get you out of the trade automatically if it hits your stop loss or your take profit.
Nice.
Okay.
I was
Yeah,
So
like,
anything else I got to do manually.
exactly. Yeah,
Right, right,
And
right.
and you can adjust it while it's approaching, approaching that stop limit, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So like you see how I got triggered in.
oh, he just bought in.
This is my
Yes.
stop loss. This is my take profit.
Yeah.
Right now you're up 2,800.
Right. So now I got triggered in. This is exactly where I thought it would bounce off of, and then oh, it's actually
Damn.
Pretty accurate, buddy.
That jam went up crazy.
pretty
You could
good.
have sold at 44.
Right. So like right now I'd sell because it's 4:15 and the market's about to close.
Mm.
So
Oh, that's how
uh
you sell.
I do this right here. Close position, close position. And now I sold
And then it's
here.
so
Exactly.
And you bought in that. Wow.
I mean, but I think he technically bought it at like 2,000, right?
I bought in at 24,750.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
God damn.
That was the price that I bought in at. That doesn't mean that's how much I spent or how much I was risking, but that's
Yeah,
just the
you,
Right.
you
price that
risk.
I bought
Yeah.
in at.
Wait, how
Okay.
much did you risk then? If you know what I mean, like, what does it
I
show
actually
that?
don't know. I think
Okay,
I
I think
risked
it's paper
like,
trading.
yeah, nah, this is basically paper trading. Like, it's not real money, but I think I risked like,
He put 50 units. I don't know how much that means though.
right. So if I got out right here and it was 1.5 and I made, 38K, what was I risking? Like 20,000?
Hmm. So
20
profit
real Ks?
No, 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 hell no.
20
Oh my
real
goodness.
K's.
Hell no, hell no.
divided by 1.5. Yeah, that would be like 25,300.
Yeah. So,
So is it you made 38K profit, or you just made the difference of 38 to 25?
no, I made 38K profit.
Jesus.
Mm.
Yes.
That's how much it would have been. Yeah. But yeah, that's basically how it goes.
Oh yeah, it's even. I think it's even right there. 25
25.
thousand one
Oh,
hundred
so he
thirty.
put in 25, quote unquote, and then his, okay.
Something like that. I don't know. It's okay.
Actually, I
Actually,
don't.
yeah.
We're gonna learn the. What
Yeah.
I do learn the patterns for real before I'm out here just throwing stupid things.
I
I'm
can
learning.
the joint is about to end in like a minute. Uh but I can go over like how I do my bias real
I'm about to
quick.
say, how can I watch a real trade? I know this is not your trade times.
I
Not gonna
could
push it.
try to if I
Report
take a trade tonight, I'll try to send it and send like my breakdown or whatever.
on.
Okay,
Okay.
but
And I see
So
this joint recording. Can you send the recording too?
yeah,
Or
I got you.
all right, thank you.
So yesterday was bullish, so today I think it's gonna go bullish. The previous 4 hour was bearish, so the next 4 hours will be bearish. That's simply how I do things. So I'm trying to capitalize on the next 4 hours because I trade from 7 to 11. So I'm worried about the next 4 hours only. So if I
Okay.
know the next 4 hours will be bearish, then I'm anticipating price to go down for a little bit. But if the day is bullish, then I know that we're only going down for so long. So at some point within the next 4 hours, or maybe even later than that, price will probably go right back up like that. So
Oh, it's
after
at
11
7.
o'clock?
yeah, yeah. So at 7, I'll be looking to sell. and then I'll sell down, and then if I get a good opportunity, I'll buy, and I'll be in the trade for the rest of the day. So I could be in the trade for anywhere from like 4 to 12 hours.
And it's
Yeah.
to answer, right? Hypothetically, let me see what you would do, or I'm trying to, I guess what I think you would do.